Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer.
NOCO Genius 1, 1A6V/12V Smart Battery Charger, Automatic Maintainer, Trickle Charger and Desulfator with Overcharge Protection and Temperature Compensation, for lead-acid and lithium batteries. Meet the Genius 1, similar to our G750, just better. It's 35% smaller and delivers over 35% more power. It's the all-in-one charging solution: battery charger, battery maintainer, trickle charger, plus desulfator. Do more with Genius, designed for 6V and 12V lead-acid, AGM, gel, SLA, VRLA, and lithium-ion, LiFePO4, batteries, including flooded, maintenance-free, deep cycle, marine and powersport batteries. Enjoy precision charging. An integrated thermal sensor dynamically adjusts the charge based on ambient temperature, preventing overcharging in hot weather and undercharging in cold. Charge dead batteries. Charge batteries from as low as 1V, or use force mode to manually charge completely dead batteries down to 0V. Perfect for recovering deeply discharged or neglected batteries. Beyond maintenance, keep your battery fully charged without worrying about overcharging. Our smart charger constantly monitors the battery. Thanks for watching and subscribe.